Hello everyone, welcome to Homework Help. If you find the video useful, please subscribe to the channel. In this video, we'll solve this problem using the concepts of ellipse. As per the problem, write the equation of an ellipse with directrices at y equals plus minus 4 and foci at 0, 2 and 0, negative 2. The first step is to identify whether this ellipse is taller than wider or wider than taller. For that, we'll use the given foci points. We should plot these foci points. One of these foci is at 0, 2, which is on the y-axis above the x-axis. And the other one is at 0, negative 2, which is below the x-axis on the y-axis. As you may know, foci points of an ellipse lie on its major axis. That means the major axis for this ellipse is the y-axis. Therefore, this ellipse is taller than wider. This is a very important concept we need to understand and memorize. Next, we can write the general equation of an ellipse that's taller than wider. The general equation is x minus h square over b square plus y minus k square over a square equals 1. In this equation, the center of the ellipse is h, k. We can use the given foci points to find the center of this ellipse. The center of the ellipse is the midpoint of the line segment that joins the foci points. We can use the midpoint formula to find the midpoint of the line segment that joins these two foci points. The midpoint formula is x1 plus x2 divided by 2, y1 plus y2 divided by 2. The given foci points are 0, 2 and 0, negative 2. We can label one of these points as x1, y1, the other one as x2, y2. Next, we can sub in these values in the midpoint formula. So we get 0 plus 0 over 2 and 2 plus negative 2 over 2. 0 plus 0 is equal to 0 and 0 divided by 2 is 0. 2 plus negative 2 is equal to 0 and 0 divided by 2 is equal to 0. So the midpoint is 0, 0. That's the center of this ellipse. That means h is equal to 0 and k is equal to 0. Next, we can sub in these values in the general equation. So we get x minus 0 square over b square plus y minus 0 square over a square equals 1. We can simplify this equation. X minus 0 is x. So we get x square over b square plus y square over a square equals 1. Next, we have to find the values of b square and a square. For that, we'll use the foci points. The foci points of an ellipse that's taller than wider are given as h, k plus minus a times e, where e is the eccentricity of the ellipse. For this ellipse, h is equal to 0 and k is equal to 0. So we can use these values. So we get 0, plus minus a times e. The given foci points are 0, 2 and 0, negative 2. That means a times e is equal to 2. This is our first equation for A and E. Next, we can analyze the given directrices. The general equation of directrices for an ellipse that is taller than wider is y equals k plus minus a over e. K is equal to 0, so we get 0 plus minus a over e, which is equal to just plus minus a over e. We are given the equation of directrices as y equals plus minus 4. That means a over e is equal to 4. This is the second equation we get for a and e. Now we have to use these two equations, a times e equals 2 and a over e equals 4, to find the value of a. We can simplify the equation a over e equals 4. We can cross multiply the e to the right side. We get a equals 4e. Next, we can do the substitution for a in the equation a times e equals 2. We can replace a with 4e. We get 4e square equals 2. Next, we can divide both sides by 4. The 4's on the left side cancel each other out. We get e square equals 1 over 2. Next, we can apply square root to both sides. I get e equals 1 over square root 2, because square root of 1 is just 1. Now we can use this value of e to find the value of a. I can sub in this e value in this step. So a equals 4 times 1 over square root 2. The denominator of 4 is 1. When we multiply the fractions, we get 4 over square root 2. We have to find the value of a square, so we should square both sides of this equation. So I get a square equals 16 over 2, which can be reduced to 8. So a square is equal to 8. Next, we have to find the value of b square, and for that, we'll use the equation. So I'll write it on the right side. C square equals a square minus b square. In this equation, c represents the distance from the center of the ellipse to either of the two foci points of the ellipse. As per the foci points I plotted on the board, the center of this ellipse is at the origin. So the distance from the center to either of the two given foci points is 2. That means C is equal to 2. And we found a square to be equal to 8. We can use these values to find the value of b square. So we get 2 square equals 8 minus b square. 2 square is 4. Next, we can subtract 8 from both sides. 4 minus 8 is negative 4. Next, we can divide both sides by negative 1. So we get 4 equals b square, or b square equals 4. This is the value of b square we can use in the equation. So the equation of this ellipse is x square over 4 plus y square over 8 equals 1. This should be the final answer for this problem. So these are the steps you have to keep in mind to solve a problem like this one. I hope you'll find this video useful. Please share it, like it, and subscribe to Homework Help. Thank you very much and have a nice day. Bye.